Then we back up into the cobra drill, and he comes right here, right? And he checks it every time. Checks it every time. He does not take bad time at this. He does not think this is stupid. He thinks this is purposeful and meaningful, right? And he just goes to here where they go where they feel it, that their arm's in the right slot. Right? Especially if you're a pitcher, okay? Alright, he's up, he's back. Take a long time to catch. He's up, he's back. When you get up, you will go to flat work right from here, which trains the pitcher, paints the pitcher. Flat work is right here. You're spread wide, and you're checking the arms out, especially when you're pitching the day of. Okay, when you're getting ready for your bullpen or throwing that day, it's going to go up. Ball's going to be here. He's going to throw. He's going to stretch down. All right. I'll just take you.